If you've been paying attention to a lot of the videos that I've been posting, you probably know that we're currently experiencing a seller's market. The truth is, the days are gone where you can just throw it on the market and hope for a sell. There's a lot of things you have to do to get your home ready to sell before you list it. These are 7 repairs you have to make before selling your home. Structural and mechanical. If you know that you have any kind of structural or mechanical issues in your home, you absolutely have to get those taken care of before you put it on the market. The truth is, it may cost you hundreds or even small thousands of dollars to get those repairs made, but any buyer who's coming into your home will be absolutely terrified and unwilling to make an offer. It's better to know what you're getting yourself into before you throw it on the market than finding out on the back end you're going to lose all the deals because they're not even willing to figure out what it might cost to get it fixed. Exterior. I've said it once, I've said it 1,000 times. You only get one chance to make a first impression, and the exterior of your home is the first impression all the buyers are going to get when they're coming to take a look at your home. If you have any major wood rot or other things that are in major disrepair or deferred maintenance, there are going to be things that buyers see that they automatically gravitate toward, and they can't get them out of their head when they're looking at the rest of your home. Make sure you do everything possible to get your exterior of your home looking as good as you possibly can before you throw it on the market, because you want to make that first impression a lasting one. Landscaping. Now on this one you don't have to go over the top and plant a whole bunch of luscious, crazy, exotic plants, but you do need to make sure that it looks as good as it can. Trimming back stuff that's overgrown is probably the best thing that you can do, or make sure you have a couple rocks in there to break up the look and make it a little bit more natural looking. I've often said less is more, so make sure that you're doing everything you can to clean it up but not go overboard. Cosmetic. This is another one that a lot of people overlook. Cosmetic changes are something that you absolutely have to do. I tell my sellers all the time, a lot of buyers walking into your home no longer have the vision and imagination that they used to. They want to walk into a home that has pristine walls with neutral colors, and they don't want to come in and have to do any repairs or paint. Make sure you have that done as much as possible before you put a sign in the yard or have your photos taken, because it's going to save you a lot of money in the long run. Kitchen. The kitchen is one of the #1 rooms in the house that is most important to buyers when they're coming to look at your home. It doesn't matter if they don't cook or can't even boil a cup of water, they want to make sure that their kitchen stands out. You don't have to go overboard and do a huge kitchen renovation, but you do need to make sure that it's clean and updated as much as possible. Just changing out some brass hardware like the hinges or the pulls on your cabinets make a big difference when a buyer comes and looks. Painted cabinets are even the norm now, so don't go spend a ton of money, but make sure it looks updated and clean before somebody sets foot in the door. Bathrooms. The other major rooms in the house, bathrooms. You don't have to go overboard in these rooms either. Simple and clean wins the day. Making sure that you have as many horizontal surfaces clear of any clutter as much as possible is what you want to do, and you want to make sure that everything sparkles and shines. There's nothing worse than a dirty toilet or tub when somebody's coming to take a look at a house, so make sure everything is pristine and sparkling before anybody comes in to take a look. Flooring. Gone are the days where you can have worn out carpet that's needing stretched or needing clean when a buyer comes in to take a look. Flooring is one of the most important things that people are looking at when they're in a house, because it can be expensive to replace everything once they get into a home. The truth is, flooring allowances, which used to be more common, aren't that allowable anymore because of lending regulations and other things that keep people from being able to utilize those funds after the sale. Make sure that you have your flooring ready to go before people come in, because like I said earlier, it may cost you a little bit of money, but when a buyer sees it, it's an astronomical expense in their minds. Thanks for checking out the Aaron Advantage. I'll be sure to link to this article in the description down below. Let me know in the comments any additional things that you think you should do before putting your home on the market. Also be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel to stay up to date with every video I post.